How to buy Netflix account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search icon, then type Netflix. Now tap on search. Now tap on Netflix and click on install. Now wait for the app to install. Now after installing the application, simply tap on open. Now wait for some time. Now tap on get started. Then enter the email address and tap on get started. Then tap on continue to email. Now switch to the account. Then open up Netflix. Now tap on create your account. Now tap on finish sign up. Then tap on next. Now select the subscription plan. Now scroll down and tap on next. Now select the payment method. Now fill up the details. Now click on I agree and tap on start membership. Then complete the payment process. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.